Hi Mary Jane. How are you?
Oh, hi Mike. I didn't see you there. How was work?
Fantastic. I was enjoying it there so much at one stage I actually thought I was going to turn into a fucking computer.
Jesus, Mike. That would be unreal if you were a computer and a human. Would be dead handy like.
What do you mean? Like the Terminator or like some shitty laptop or something?
Shit, Mike. I don't know. I'm not the engineer type. I just come up with the groundbreaking ideas and let the technical guys take care of the implementation. Like that fucker Steve Jobs. Works for Apple.
Fuck me. I've no idea what you're on about, girl. Scarlet for you. Anyway, look, the rafters are really looking well now, aren't they?
Yeah. Delighted John got them done that time. It would have been a right cunt if they were still covered in white paint.
He's some bollocks all the same. He comes over here acting all like, "Hi lads, congratulations on getting a gaff. Here, I'll scrape those rafters for you." Then as soon as he gets home he's like, "I need a 9,000-word essay on some fiscal coordination bullshit and I need it emailed to me by the end of the month."
Oh, stop, Mike. I love essays and shit like that. Anyway, you kept the rafters with the paint that just falls off for yourself. Didn't you bollocks?
Look, let's not split hairs, okay? That's all in the past now, sweetheart.
Okay, come here to me. Who is in the jacks?
I think it might be Roisin.
Jesus Christ, why don't they close the door like?
I keep telling you. They can't. We're leaving it like that so we can keep an eye on the fuckers that are in there.
Oh, of course. I forgot. Sorry. Come on, fuck it, let's go for an Indian down the Ramblers.
Nice one, good idea. How much money do you have?
I have 6 pence.
Together with my 10p that makes 16. Perfect, let's go.
Cool beans.